Hello family and welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in to another episode of Uneatly Tae. On my channel I do DIYs, home decor, shopping videos, tablescapes, hauls, and much more. If you're interested in content like this, please stay tuned, sit back, relax, and enjoy this fabulous haul. Hello everyone and thank you so much for tuning in to another episode of Uneatly Tae. Today I have another Dollar Tree haul for you and it's pretty much all about Easter. As I mentioned in my previous haul, Dollar Tree has all their spring and Easter decor out and they're starting to touch little bits of summer too. Not as much as the spring and Easter. So we're gonna hop right into it. I purchased these two candles right here. This one right here say Tae de Leve. I don't know exactly what that's supposed to mean. I think they're trying to do like a French thing. I don't know if that's supposed to be the scent, but the candle says relax on the outside. And I pretty much got it because it's pink. And it goes with my decor. And this one says the same thing. Well, it says Serenity Spa on the back. So y'all can see that. And then the front says relax. And it says this scent is Serenity Spa. And this one has like a lavender, more of a lavender scent. But I pretty much got it because it was purple. And the other candle has, oh, it says lava type. That print is so small. They did a misprint. So it's supposed to be lava type. And to me, this one has a peachy scent. So if you like a peachy scent or a lavender scent, these are good candles. And right here, this is a garland, which I thought was so cute. I'm gonna show you right here on the side. You can untie it. And you could pretty much use it for any of your home decor, whatever you want to do. Don't really know exactly what I'm gonna do as of right now with these, but I picked them up because I thought they were so cute and I could use them. And these right here were my go-to find. All of you know that I go on Instagram a lot. I follow a lady called Dollar Mom on Instagram. I'm gonna make sure this time I add her name to the video so you all will be able to find her on Instagram. But her name is Dollar Mom and she makes daily posts, almost daily posts of Dollar Tree where she has a lot of great finds and a lot of unique finds. So she posted these about 4 days ago and I've been on the hunt for these. We went to one Dollar Tree, they did not have them. Everything that you see me get, it comes from me going to like multiple Dollar Trees. Like I just don't go to one Dollar Tree and bam, there it go. We go to different Dollar Trees around our local area and we also go to different Dollar Trees in the outside surrounding area of my local town. So this one right here is an egg and it's so cute. They had the eggs and the bunny. And the eggs were in the light blue bottom. So I got two of them. The eggs are in the light blue bottom and the bunnies have the pink. So I decided to get the eggs. I really like the shape of the eggs and you can put more things in the eggs than what you can the bunny. And what I'm going to use it for is not going to be your typical use anyway. So I just wanted to make sure I had enough room in this part. So I got the egg instead. All right, and I picked up these right here. These are plain white candles, but I like the fact that they're in glass. These are in glass and they are very weighted and very heavy. And I have two of these from Dollar Tree. Have been trying to hunt these down for a while too. I've been looking for these for about a month and my local Dollar Tree just got these in. Okay, I picked up some of these floral foam circles that I use a lot. I like to make sure I got these on hand. So these packs come in packs of 2s, so I have 4 altogether. And I also got these cute little baby chicks that is so cute. I'm almost completely done with my Easter mantle, so I'll be revealing that soon. I may end up doing it actually in a video, or I may end up just posting it on Instagram. So if you are not following me on Instagram, make sure you check my description and follow me on Instagram. I do a lot of like mantle tours. I do a lot of reels now. I just started doing reels, and they're gonna be special things that I do on my Instagram that I don't always show on my YouTube. So I'm probably gonna reveal my Easter mantle on my Instagram instead of my YouTube. So look out for that. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. But I have these 2 little baby chicks right here. They came in pink. I think I saw an orange one and a blue one and also a yellow one. If my memory serves me correctly, I think those are the colors that I seen. But I got the pink ones because they go with the theme that I have that I'm doing for this Easter. And they light up. Yeah, I didn't get them for the light up part, but see if I can show y'all how I light up. There you go. It lights up. It's super bright. But and it says it right here. Light up chick. My camera focus. There we go. Now I also picked up these cute little Easter bags. They have the cutest Easter bags and Easter baskets right now at Dollar Tree. They have bags, baskets. They have the little metal pails and stuff for Easter eggs and Easter baskets. But I thought this was cute because my 5-year-old, show you, I got 2 of them. I got one for my oldest daughter and one for my 5-year-old. But my 5-year-old loved toting around pocketbooks. So when I saw this, it reminded me of a purse. So I got it for that reason. My girls like purses, period. They love putting stuff in the bag and taking it with them. So that's why I got this. It's kind of roomy on the inside. And it has a little egg on the top, which is cute. And purple is my oldest daughter's favorite color, and mine's too. And pretty much I'm just gonna put some little gifts for them in these bags for Easter. Because normally we do baskets a lot. I stopped doing baskets a few years ago because the baskets was accumulating. Like every time I would make a basket for my niece, my nephew, and even, Lord, that was my nephew, y'all. I'm sorry. But anytime we make Easter basket, come here. Come tell them, hey. You made all that noise. Come tell them, hey. Can I lift you up? Come here. That's who was making all that noise. Ain't he cute, y'all? Look, tell him hey. Say hey.
Hey.
Love you. Go ahead and play. But cereal. But yes, that's why I actually got those baskets, because a lot of my kids and my niece and nephew, after so many years of doing Easter baskets every single year, it piles up and piles up. Before you know it, they got like a closet full of Easter baskets. So me and my sister decided not to do Easter baskets every year. We started changing it up. We started doing little sacks. This year we're doing little bags. We're gonna do little bags, trying to stop all of the accumulation of baskets. Because after a while, you will be shocked how many baskets a child can accumulate within so many years when they get in baskets from their grandparents and you and, you know, aunts and whoever, and before you know it, you got a closet full of baskets. So let's hop into the flowers. I bought a lot of flowers. The floral section is overflowing at Dollar Tree. If you really, really want to get the best colors, now is the go time for that. I picked up these nice, cute, I'm gonna say blush pink, because that's what I'm going for. Looks like a blush pink. It's giving off a little peachy color. But yeah, blush pink is the color I'm going with. I got 2 bundles of the blush pink roses and I don't know exactly how I'll be using it as of right now, but I had to get them because this is just a beautiful Easter color. It looks really good. Then they had these nice soft yellow. I went with all soft colors. They had like a really bold yellow, but I decided not to go with the bold yellow because I was looking for like the soft Easter colors. So I got 2 bundles of the soft yellow, and these are roses too. I picked up all roses so all my flowers will match, because my mantle flowers are roses, so I wanted all the other parts of the house decor to be roses too. Then we have purple. I love purple. Purple is my favorite color. I have 1, 2, 3, yeah, 4 bundles of purple. I have 2 of the purple roses. Let me make this easier. I have a darker purple rose, and I also have a soft pink purple rose. I really wanted the soft pink purple rose, but they didn't have any more, so we went with the darker and the lighter. And these are both roses. And also, I love these. To me, this right here are so cute to add extra like color and detail when you're doing flower arrangements or you adding it to different decor. These are lilacs, and I have 2 bundles of the lilacs. I love the whole style of it. It looks really good. So I got 2 bundles of the lilacs. And then shout out to my girl Erica of Love is the Main Key. She hauled these probably about 2 or 3 days ago, and I said I have to get me some of these blue roses. These blue roses right here are new for Dollar Tree, and I'm so glad that she shared it with us because I haven't seen these particular color blue roses. And I've been buying a lot of different colors of blues for summer because I love the beach, and I'm gonna start working on my beach DIYs in the upcoming months. But these blue flowers right here are so pretty. They carry blue flowers at the Dollar Tree, but not this color blue. This is more of like an indigo blue or something like that. And the Dollar Tree blue roses are normally like a deep royal. And I love how it looked. Thank you, Erica, for sharing this with us. It really turned me to looking for more flowers, since she had pretty much told everybody, you know, start getting your flowers, start checking into it, because the flowers are getting out there and a lot of the colors are being picked over. So I went on a hunt for these, and I was blessed to find them the first time. I didn't even have to go to several Dollar Trees to find these blue roses right here. But check out your local Dollar Tree for all your florals. Most Dollar Trees are fully stocked right now. So thank you all for tuning in to another episode of Uneatly Tae. I'm so glad all of you took the time to watch my video on today. Thank you. And always remember to create, explore, and enjoy. And I'll catch you guys in my next video.